Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to set up international shipping on Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. So with that, let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, look at the left sidebar menu and click on Settings. From the Settings list, click on Shipping and Delivery. Right at the top of the page under the Shipping section, click on the General Profile to manage it. Scroll down to the Shipping Zone section and click on the Add Zone button. In the zone name field, type a clear name. For example, you can type International. Right below that, use the search bar to select the specific countries you want to ship to, or check the box for entire regions like Europe or Asia. And click Done. Now, look inside your newly created international zone and click on the Add Shipping option button. Type a name for your rate, like Standard International, and enter the pricing details in your local currency. For example, if you run a candle shop, you can set a flat rate of 1,000 pesos for international delivery. Once your rates are filled out, click Done to close the window. Finally, look at the top right corner of your screen and click Save. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up international shipping on Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.